Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution. On the application of ChatGPT, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we search about ChatGPT and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your